Since and for are both used to talk about the duration of time, but they are used in different contexts. Since. Since is used to refer to a specific point in time when an action or event started. It indicates the starting point and is often used with the present perfect or past perfect tense. Use since with specific point in time, for example, since 2010, since last Monday, since yesterday. Since. Examples. I have been living here since 2010. She has been working at the company since last year. We have been friends since childhood. He has been on vacation since Monday. For. For is used to refer to the duration of an action or event. It indicates how long something has been happening. Use for with period of time, for example, for 2 years, for 3 weeks, for a long time. For. Examples. I have been living here for 10 years. She has been working at the company for 5 years. We have been friends for a long time. He has been on vacation for a week. Quick tips. Use since to indicate the starting point of an action or event. Use for to indicate the duration of an action or event. Understanding the difference between since and for will help you express time-related information accurately in English.